Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video you're going to learning about how to remove your name in Snapchat, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, my name is Stark and you're watching the Starkness Get YouTube channel, on which I upload the tricks and tutorials for all of the social media apps. So what are you waiting for? Just hit the subscribe button down below and press that bell icon to stay connected. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Snapchat app, and then after that here you can see your avatar in the top right corner. Just simply tap on it like that, and by tapping on it you will come to your profile section. In your profile section here you can see that gear in near this share icon. Just tap at the gear in the top right corner, and that's where you can easily get the name option on the right top. Just simply tap on it, and from here you can just simply remove your name by tapping at remove name, just like that. So that's how you can easily do that. So I hope it helps you guys. If it helps, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, and do not forget to check the latest video on the screen. Goodbye till the next video.